Special teams coordinator Brian Mason begins his first season with the Irish after a 5-year stint at Cincinnati. The Zionsville, Indiana native has the challenge of replacing Notre Dame's kicker and punter and talks about the competition in fall camp.
Kicking competition's gone well. I think every day they've gotten better and better. That's been kind of our goal. So just kind of addressing things, as a whole. So from last season to this season, we had to replace 5 specialists. So we had a lot of turnover in the room. We had to turn over a starting place kicker, starting holder, starting punter, starting kickoff specialist. So really the whole thing, since we've got 4 new guys here this summer, has been to try to get those guys together as much as possible, create as much cohesion as possible, and get a little bit better every day. Because it takes a little bit of time and work for them to be a full group, especially when there's 3 guys working together on field goal. I think every day we've gotten more confidence, we've gotten more cohesion together. Blake Groupie, as Coach Freeman kind of alluded to yesterday, is the starting kicker right now. So if we were to play today, Blake Groupie would be the starting kicker. He would handle all field goal duties in every situation. Bryce McPherson would be the starting kickoff specialist. John Sott would be the starting punter and holder. And Michael Vinson would be the starting long snapper, which is the one holdover, that has experience from last year.
Despite the challenge of replacing players, Mason views it as an opportunity.
Yeah, certainly we would like to have, more guys that have maybe some more experience together as we go. But did give us an opportunity to bring in some experienced guys that had some experience in a lot of other places that can kind of add some of those things or to fit maybe what we want to do scheme-wise and things. But, there are pros and cons to that.
Mason talked about 2 players that will get some playing time as freshmen.
There's only 2 guys, if we played today, that would be starting on special teams. That is junior Tuli Halamaka and Jaden Mickey. Both of those guys are just mature beyond their years. Like, they just have poise and confidence about them. They can absorb a lot of information and still be able to perform and do their job at a really high level. And they have some leadership qualities to them that are unique for somebody that's a freshman.
Following the Fighting Irish, for Irish Illustrated, I'm Len Clark.